Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I share a new recipe. Today's recipe is for blueberry cookies. I saw this on TikTok and it's definitely worth trying. I'm adding some melted or softened butter to my mixing bowl, about a third cup. And then I'm also going to add in a third cup and a tablespoon, which is kind of weird, to the mixing bowl to cream that together. Then I took a third cup of frozen blueberries, put them in the microwave for about a minute, then let them cool down, and then I'm going to add that to the mixture, and that's what gives it the beautiful purple color. And then I'm going to add in a half teaspoon of baking powder, an eighth of a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of flour. Once I have all that added, I did scrape down the side of the bowl. I'm going to mix that together. Then I added in a half cup of white chocolate chips. I just mixed that for like literally 5 seconds, turn it off. Then I'm using the smallest cookie scooper that I have to make little mounds of cookie dough. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees and I baked them for about 7 minutes. They were lightly golden brown. This is how they turned out. Kind of tastes like a blueberry muffin. I really liked them. They're pretty addicting. And it made about 15 or 16 of them if you make them small enough. So I will have the full recipe below in the description box. I hope you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.